So if you were able to follow along with our concept, we can basically go ahead and just live code this out. First, we're going to want to create a rounds variable, which we're going to call as just 10. We want to do 10 different rounds. Next, we're going to create a salt for our hashing function. We're going to create a new variable salt, and we're going to use bcrypt.gensalt and pass in the number of rounds. Since this is an async function, we're going to await for that to be completed so we can do everything in line. Now we're going to hash that password, storing the information in our hash variable. We're going to await bcrypt.hash. We're going to pass in our password, so plain text password is what we're pulling in from our method signature, and we're going to feed in our salt. Finally, we'll return that hashed value. And that's it. Hopefully your code looks like something similar to this. We'll make use of this once we start trying out our system within Postman. Let's look now at compare passwords, and this is a much simpler one-liner. All we have to do is return await bcrypt.compare. In case you're confused, you can command hover over compare, and you can see we have our data and our encrypted string. So that'll be our plain text password as our first parameter and our hash as our second parameter, and that's what we're taking in as our function here, and that's it. So now our compare password and our generate password local functions are using bcrypt to fulfill those actions, and everything should be nice and groovy for us once we go ahead and implement this and test it out in Postman.